Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kez here, coming at you with some silly realness. Um, so this is my second time attempting to give myself a silk press, and I just showed you guys the leave-in conditioner that I used in my hair the night prior. I had washed my hair the night prior, then I air dried it overnight so that my hair had time to absorb the product. Because my hair is fine, I felt like I needed to not have it overweighed with product, and then I just wet the section that was water in that Cream of Nature bottle. Now I'm taking the Briogeo heat protectant, the blow dry protectant, and I'm applying a pea-sized amount in that section of my hair. My hair is in 4 sections, and then I'm detangling this section, and then I'm going to blow dry the section using this Revlon blow dryer that you guys I'm sure have seen by now. At first I thought it wasn't like that good of a blow dryer, but I found when I let my hair air dry and then I just dampened the section, it works really well for my hair. And my blow drying time is super duper quick, probably like 15 to 20 minutes for my entire head, and I can get my hair pretty straight with the blow dryer. So I'm just blowing it out and brushing my hair with this, and then once this section is done, I'm just going to twist my hair. I decided to blow dry all of my hair and then come back and flat iron it. So this is the blow dry result. My hair did frizz up a bit, but I was in my bathroom, and that is the nature of unheat trained natural hair, so it is what it is. But that's how my hair looked. So now I'm taking the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Protectant, and I'm just spraying my entire head with it. Instead of going section by section and putting too much product, I'm just spraying my entire head. And then I took a little bit of Chi Silk Infusions just to put all over my hair as well, to help with the silkening process of my hair. So I'm just combing my hair out again just to make sure that all the product is combed all the way through. And now I'm taking a super fine tooth comb and a small section of my hair. I'm just combing it out, and I'm taking my Solia flat iron, the same one I used the first time, and I am passing it over that section of hair without the comb first, and then I'm going to go back and do the chase method with the comb and the flat iron. And the last thing I did right after I flat ironed this section is trim the section, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that here. I'm again taking the flat iron first, kind of doing the tension method, and then my second pass was the chase method with a fine tooth comb. And I have the flat iron at about 400 degrees. So I'm taking my shears and I am just going to trim this section. My ends were in pretty bad shape with single strand knots and split ends, so a trim was absolutely necessary. And I did have to go back in and look at my ends again, and in some sections trim them a little bit more. And don't mind my facial expressions, guys. So this is how my hair is looking. That was pretty much half of my head. As you can see, my hair is very fine. That is about 3/4 of my head, all straightened. I had some movement this time, so I knew I did something better. I won't say that it's perfect, but it's definitely better than the first time. Now I'm just doing the top of my head, same idea. Just really had to get rid of those crazy ends. And this is all of my hair fully flat ironed. Like I said, I think the result was slightly better this year in terms of my hair looking less choppy and the amount of movement that I had in my hair. So that is the final result of my hair. I just threw some curls in it with the flat iron. I like the result. I think it was better than last year, but I definitely know I need some improvement with my hair, and just stay tuned for my final thoughts on my hair, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so this is the end result of my hair this time around. I think I've seen a bit of an improvement in my hair, but what I did notice is that I probably need to dust my ends at least monthly or every 2 months or something, because these ends, because as you guys saw, as I straightened the section, as I flat ironed the section, I trimmed at least a good inch. On top of that, after I went through and I looked and saw I still saw a split end or a single strand knot or something. And on a lot of areas of my hair, I saw single strand knots, split ends. So I really need to take better care of my ends, because what is the point of my hair growing if I still have to cut off the majority of the length because the ends are not being well taken care of? And granted, most of the time I wear wigs, so I do detangle my hair. I use a Denman brush, and then I just get my hair twisted up or braided up, flat twisted or braided or cornrowed. So my ends are always tucked away. I shouldn't have such bad ends. They're not even exposed, and they're not even being crazily manipulated. So I have some things that I'm going to try. I am going to try to do more stretched hairstyles with cool air with the blow dryer that I have, and see if that helps or hurts or doesn't make a difference. And hopefully that will also help me be able to search and destroy split ends and single strand knots, so maybe I can preserve more of my ends, and hopefully by this time next year my hair will have a significant improvement, especially because I've been doing pretty well with deep conditioning this year. I've been doing pretty well with making sure my hair is moisturized. A few times you slip up, sometimes I just don't feel like it. I usually wash once a week, but maybe sometimes I stretch it to 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes people say that their hair grows more when they don't wash it. I don't know. I know my hair grows for sure, and the other thing that I mentioned is that I did a trim back in October, which is only 3 months ago. And that was on blow dried hair. I was just like, yeah, I need to trim these ends. And how much hair did I cut off though? It was probably a half an inch to an inch. But so from then to now, to have such bad ends again, it's no, I need to take better care of my hair. Maybe I can't let it go that long. So I'm definitely, but before that, I hadn't trimmed since January. So maybe that's what it is too. So I'm going to try at least once to every 2 months, just checking up on my ends and making sure that they look better. So hopefully by this time next year, when I straighten my hair again, I'll see significant length, and I won't have such crazy layers, because I'll be, working to get my hair more cohesive. That didn't really work on that at all this year. I just, was more diligent with washing, deep conditioning, moisturizing, and stuff like that. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.